A very charming morning to the administrator Darbar Shri Mahavir Bhai Khachar and the director Kuljit Bhai Khachar and the principal Ramesh sir and Jagdish sir and the person who always manages everything smoothly, Hitesh sir, and my all loving and charming sisters and brothers and my all loving teachers. Here I am Sanobar Kaladia today talk about that how Indian independence and youth is connecting to each other. First of all, we have come along as a civilization from Rigved and Samved to the world's longest written constitution. From building Pushpak Viman 4,000 years ago to today building Mirage and Tejas. From worshipping moon and Mars to today going to the moon and Mars by Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan. We have come long as a civilization. महात्मा गांधी और व्यावसायिक शिक्षा वाले इस देश में हर एक व्यक्ति को डॉक्टर, आईएएस, इंजीनियर ही क्यों बनना चाहिए? ऐसा सपना क्यों देखना चाहिए? मैं ऐसे देश का सपना क्यों न देखूं जिसमें गुजरात का एक दलित बेटा दुनिया की अग्रणी जूते का निर्माता बन जाए? मैं ऐसे देश का सपना क्यों न देखूं जिसमें तमिलनाडु का एक नारी हॉलीवुड सुपरस्टार का हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट बन जाए? मैं ऐसे देश का सपना क्यों न देखूं? So, as a result, the message for the youth is that realizing rather than proudly feeling that Sundar Pichai is the CEO of the Google and Satya Nadella is leading the Apple, we made it all on Google, we made it all on Facebook in this India, in this nation. And this will happen, our technology sustainable will change and India will be the first and the superpower. Listen to youth, I'm telling with you, I'm speaking to you that I'm giving you the nation that it has been 77 years that white people has left the India, but they left that culture not. But we are following that culture also to whiten our skin, using paint and cream, to whiten our culture, to whiten our education, to whiten everything, to whiten our standard of lifestyle. Why we are doing this? So, you are the youth, you doesn't have to do like this. In this world of globalization, that everything is exported and imported. So, I can wear American shirt. मैं अमेरिकन शर्ट पहन सकती हूँ, मैं जूता जापानी पहन सकती हूँ, मैं टोपी रशियन पहन सकती हूँ, मैं जर्मन वॉच पहन सकती हूँ, लेकिन मेरा दिल है वो हिंदुस्तानी है और वो रिफ्लेक्ट होगा मेरी एजुकेशन, क्वालिफिकेशन एंड बिहेवियर से कि मैं भारत का हिस्सा हूँ. And let's work to make our country stronger. Let's work to fulfill all our dreams. Let's work to take our country to the better future. And Abdul Kalam says that great nations are not those who have the handsome people, but great nations are those who help the other people. And now I want to tell a Hindi quote कि भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा